Listen. 7 different powers which manifest through your eyes if the Kundalini is established on your third eye. Kundalini means the inner potential energy you are having, the reflection of God in you, the God particle in you. You have two components. The man particle means your pattern, your fear, your anger, your desire, your laziness, your tiredness, all that. The other part is the God particle in you, your consciousness. Understand? I dedicate myself to your consciousness. I will always be ferocious with your patterns. For your patterns, I am the villain, worst villain. For your consciousness, I am not only the friend, I am you. You are me. So understand, whenever you feel you melt, your eyes pour, you feel my life is fulfilled, complete, you are experiencing the real you, which is me, the God particle in you. Whenever you feel I am a villain, I came just 1 minute late, he shut the door. What kind of a Swami is? He should have more patience. He should be less angry. Understand, I am a worst villain for your patterns and best soulmate for your soul. Please understand the whole truth so you can easily experience. The soul, God particle, Kundalini, all these are different words for the same you, the reflection of God in you. That is what I call God particle. That is what is Kundalini. That is what is soul. That is what is consciousness. When that Kundalini is raised in your body, activated, brought not only to third eye, there are 3 points. See here, these 2 points and the exact spot where my kumkum starts. This 3 point is called intra-organ of the eyes. Listen. In Sanskrit we call it Indriya. Eyes themselves are not Indriya. Eyes are different. Chakshu is different. Chakshu means the power which sees through the eyes. So this 2 point and this point where the kumkum is starting, when the Kundalini is brought and kept in this third eye point and connected to all the 3. See now, yesterday when I initiated you, I brought the Kundalini to the third eye. But now I am going to connect it with these 2 points. So when this circuit is opened up, 7 different powers start expressing in you. 1, ability to see through any distance. Means you can lie down in the open sky and see what is happening in the Mars, what is happening in the moon. And I'll prove it to you guys through my kids. I'll prove it. It's not joke. If I do it, you will think it's a magic. I'll do it through my kids. I'll also do. But when I do it through many people, it becomes a science. Okay, listen. Ability to see any distance. That's the first power. Second, ability to see through the obstacle. Means there is a wall, you can see what is behind the wall. Third, ability to see the intra-organ. Means you can see your own liver, you can see your own kidney, you can see your own intestine, you can see your own heart pumping. So easy to diagnose. You can diagnose yourself. And ability to see that long distance means Dura Drishti. You can sit here and see what is happening in your New York home, what is happening in your house in California, or any different places, what is happening. And in distant, what if some person is going through can be seen. Understand? Seeing the place in distance is different. Seeing what the person, for example, it's like a internet apps only. If you concentrate on the place, you will see what is happening in that place. If you concentrate on the person, you will see what he is doing. No, nobody can do it. I think I am creating a lot of solutions and a lot of problems for a lot of people. Anyhow, how you are going to use it up to you. And sixth, ability to see the thought currents. Understand? Ability to see the thought currents. Seventh is ability to see the emotions of a person as an aura. Listen, seven various powers. Ability to see distance, like seeing the stars. Ability to see through the obstacle, it's like seeing what is in the other side of the wall. Ability to see the intra-organs, what is happening inside you. Ability to see a different place by concentrating on that place. Ability to see a different person by concentrating on that person. Careful, listen, don't miss. Ability to see thought current of a person, ability to see the emotional state of a person as aura. These are the seven various powers start manifesting if this circuit is complete. This 2 point and this point. If this circuit is complete with the Kundalini Shakti, these are the seven various powers manifest in your system. And listen now, as you have all given me the authority, I am going to straight enter into your system and raise the Kundalini and connect the circuit. You need to know for next 20 days, means till this program gets over, you need to wash your eyes morning and night both through that eye cup. There is a Panchakriya. We teach Panchakriya in Inner Awakening. You are expected to get your Panchakriya set in the email also. In that Panchakriya set, there is a small cup washing the eyes. So you have to wash your eyes morning and night because this whole zone will get heated up. You have to cool it with a cool water, fresh water, morning and evening. And after you practice the process, means now I will initiate you. Now you won't get any heat. After I give the initiation, I'll be giving you a few minutes break to practice it. Then the heat will increase. You will have to cool it. All of you are clear? Please understand, if you don't cool, you will feel the heat and you will feel sleepy because of the heat. There won't be any other side effect. Only sleep. More number of hours you may feel that you need, but we can't afford sleep now. You are all here on vacation where You can't miss even 1 hour because you are getting the most costliest thing in the world, my time. So, if you wash your eyes without giving reason, it will not get heated up. You will not need more number of hours sleep. You will not sleep during the initiation and during the process. You will use this whole program to 100%. I think I have explained enough logically why you need to wash your eyes, cool it every day twice, and after the process related to the eyes. Don't come back to me and saying I forgot. Please do it. It will help you. There will be no other side effect. There will be no other side effect other than you feeling that you need little more time to sleep, or your eyes are little hard, so you need more time to keep your eyes closed. Other than that, nothing. So, I have explained everything about the science. Now I am going to lead you into the process. Shall we start the process? Yes. It is going to be 21 minutes. So next 21 minutes you can't sleep. If you sleep, I will not be able to maintain the circuit of connecting all the three. So you have to sit straight. And after 21 minutes, I'll give you a break for a few minutes. Maybe that time you can doze off, I have no problem. Again, I'll start one more 21 minutes. During that second 21 minutes also, you can't afford to sleep. So now the process I'm going to do with you is from the first chapter of Shivajnana Upanishad. Shivajnana Upanishads, first chapter, Mahadeva explains the awareness and Kundalini being used to awaken not only the third eye, the 7 various powers which comes through the third eye. Shall we start? Yes. Listen carefully. Now, you are going to hold your Atmalinga on the third eye. Listen, listen, listen. But you have to put both your thumb on this point, this tip. And using the other finger, you have to hold the Atmalinga on the third eye. That's very technical. It is not necessary the Atmalinga's tip should touch the third eye. If it is just kept on the third eye also okay. Like this, if you keep also okay. Give me one Atmalingam. See, like this if you keep also okay. Please pick up your Atmalinga. So put both your thumb on this 2 point. All of you are able to see through the LED screen? See here. And nicely support the Atmalinga. Press it on your third eye. Atmalinga may vibrate intensely, but don't allow it to fall, because I have to maintain that circuit for full 21 minutes. Only then that circuit will become permanent. Please put the Atmalinga on the third eye, nicely hold. You can even hold your head nicely, fully supported. You can use both the hands and comfortably support it. Please put the Atmalinga on your third eye. Cover both the points. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible and as deeply as possible. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible and as deeply as possible. You can support your hand. You can even put your head down and support yourself, but don't fall asleep. That's the only thing. Because I need you awake for next 21 minutes to keep the circuit active and alive. Sadashiva, wake up. Shambhavi, raise to the third eye. Kundalini, 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 Uttishtata, Jagrata, Kundalini, 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 awaken all the third eyes. Let awakening of the third eye happen intensely. Kundalini, Kundalini, Shiva, 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 शिवोऽहं 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 सदाशिवोऽहं 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 नित्यानन्दोऽहं 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 ये आत्मलिंगा me my own representative, my own energy, wake up and vibrate in every body here. Break the Chitjata Grandhi, connect the circuit of Trinetra. Let all the seven powers, as I described in Agama, manifest in all the bodies here. As Sadashiva, I am ordering, let Kundalini open up and manifest in all the third eye. Manifest all the seven powers I described in Agama. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Mama Sankalpa, Sada Shiva Sankalpamastu. Shivaya, Shivaya, Sada Shivaya, Sada Shivaya, Sada Shivaya, Sada Shivaya, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham. Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Nityanandoham, 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 Sada Shiva, Sada Shiva, Sada Shiva. Let me vibrate in all the third eyes here. Let me explode in all the third eyes here. Let all the third eyes here wake up, open up, express all the intense possibilities and energies. Sada Shivoham, 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 सदाशिवोऽहम् 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 शिवोऽहम् शिव 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 कुंडलिनी कुंडलिनी ब्रेक द ब्रह्म ग्रंथि ब्रेक द विष्णु ग्रंथि ब्रेक द शिव ग्रंथि ब्रेक द रुद्र ग्रंथि let the chit jada grandhi vedana happen wake up now open the third eye maintain the energy circuit of the third eye shiva 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 Shambho 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 Mahadeva Shambhavi wake up Hara 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 Shiva Shiva
Shiva,
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 Shivaya,
Shivaya,
Shiva,
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 Tara,
Tara, Tara,
open up in the third eye.
open up in the third eye.
Tara,
Tara, Tara,
Tara
Tara
Parameshwari,
Parameshwari,
Paramba,
Paramba,
raise from the
raise from the
Mooladhara,
Mooladhara,
break,
break, break,
Brahma Grandhi,
Brahma Grandhi,
Vishnu Grandhi,
Vishnu Grandhi,
Rudra Grandhi,
Rudra Grandhi,
raise,
raise,
break the Chitjada
break the
Grandhi,
Chitjada Grandhi,
merge with
merge
Sadashiva,
with Sadashiva,
Sadashivanod,
Sadashivanod,
Sandadam Sallabittirukka, Shankari,
Shankari,
Sagasraram Nokki Purappadu,
Purappadu,
Sagasrarathil Sandadam Sangaranodu Layittiru, Sadashivoham, 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 Nandi, Nandi, give way for Devi to reach Sadashiva. Nandi, Nandi, take the Kundalini, to Sadashiva, Shivaya, 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 Shiva, 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 Shiva. Hold the Atmalinga intensely on the third eye. Don't remove the Atmalinga. Keep the circuit connected. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Sadashivoham. Relax. You can remove the hands. Settle down. Just take a deep breath. You will settle down. Take a deep breath. 3-4 times. You will settle down. Please take the hands off. Relax from the circuit. Take a deep breath. If you have a water bottle next to you, you can drink, sip little water. Always try to keep water bottle filled with water next to you, because after every initiation, sipping little water will help you to settle down. Shiva. Let's move to the next step now. Listen. Now I am going to actually help your eyes to retain that energy which I have awakened now. To retain it means keeping it cool inside your system. Either with eye band or with the kavi cloth, please tie your eyes. Means close your eyes and tie it. Now when I am cooling your eyes, even if you feel like you are falling asleep, it's okay. You don't have to struggle. You yourself don't sleep. If you fall asleep, it's okay. You don't have to struggle or keep yourself awake. It usually happens whenever the eyes are made to cool through the energy, you fall asleep. That is okay. Om Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Kundalini Shanti, Shambhavi Shanti, Sarvam Shanti, Bhushanti, Prithvi Shanti.
If your body falls asleep, don't worry, allow it. You don't have to struggle. Don't sit straight. Just be relaxed. I'm helping the Kundalini to cool down and settle in your eyes without any stress. So, sit in a relaxed way. If your body falls asleep, it's okay. On both these points, listen, these points, and put the Atmalinga. Actually, many of you may not even need specs after this process. You may just start seeing directly without specs. Healing the eyes is too small job for Kundalini Shakti. Maybe within next 48 hours, when the energy digested, you may not need specs. You may just start seeing directly. Actually, now you can, please remove the specs while you are going through the process. You don't have to have the specs. Close your eyes. Shiva, 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 Shiva,
Shiva 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 Shivaya 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 Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Let your bioenergy wake up in all the bodies here. Meenakshi, தாயே உன் உயிர் நினைவு இங்கிருக்கும் உயிரெல்லாம் விழித்தழட்டும். Meenakshi, Paramba, Adishakti, Adyashakti, Shivaya, 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 Shivoham, Sada 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 Shivoham. Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham. Shambhavi, let everyone's DNA vibrate as Sada Shiva's DNA. உயிர் நினைவும் மெயின் நினைவும் உயிர் மெய் நினைவும் என் ஐயனே உன் உருவாய் மலர்ந்திடட்டும். சதாசிவ 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 சதாசிவ
அயனே உன் மங்களத்தன்மையும் பூரணத்தன்மையும் இங்கிருக்கும் எல்லா உயிருக்கும் உயிர்த்தெழட்டும் பொங்கி எழட்டும் உள்ளதை உள்ளபடி உள்ளத்தால் உள்ளிட எல்லா உள்ளவனே உயிர்த்தெழு சதா சிவ சதா சிவ சதா சிவ சதா சிவ சதா சிவ சதா சிவ சதா சிவோகம் 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 உயிரெல்லாம் மலர்ந்திட மெய்யெல்லாம் மலர்ந்திட உள்ளதை உள்ளபடி உரைத்திட உள்ளதை உள்ளபடி உணர்ந்திட உள்ளலாய் இருக்கும் உத்தமனே சதாசிவனே எல்லா உள்ளத்துள்ளும் உயிர்த்தெழு சிவ சிவாய சிவ 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 Shiva 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 Shivoham 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 Sada 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 Shivoham
Sadashivoham. 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 Sadashiva,
Sadashiva,
wake up,
wake up
in everybody here.
everybody here.
Be awakened in all the third eyes.
All the third eyes.
Establish the third eye
Establish
energy
the third
circuit.
eye energy circuit.
Completely,
Completely
manifest
manifest
all the powers
all the powers
through the third eye
through the third eye
and the third eye
and the
circuit.
third eye circuit.
Sadashivoham.
Sadashivoham.
Please relax.
Please relax. You can open your eyes and remove the Atmalinga. Just inhale and exhale deeply. If you want, you can sip little water. If you drink little water, settling down will be a lot more easy. You can easily relax and settle down.